Feel free to check all of this out in detail once it's live. Let me show you the inside of the members area right now. Okay, so guys, this is how it looks like. Let me just tell you that I will be uploading a separate 20-minute demo to show you exactly how to add products, how to set all of this up. Okay, so I'm just going to give you an overview right here in this review video. And after this review video, the next video I will upload to my YouTube channel will be the demo video if you want to see the whole process. Okay, so on the dashboard, as you can see, first of all, you can actually select a language. You can pick any language you want, and this is being provided by Google Translate. So literally any language on the planet you can pick, and you can run all of this in your language. And here you're controlling all of the orders, okay? Because the cool thing about IncomeEngine is that you have the sales history, you have all the orders, you can control if they are shipped or delivered or pending, etc. So IncomeEngine is a platform. So for example, you don't need to put up your products somewhere else, like on Warrior Plus or JVZ on ClickBank. All you need is just IncomeEngine and your little website that is creates. Okay, so again, we have total orders, orders this month, orders this week, today's orders, we have search engines, and we have sales revenue. You can control all of this right here. Then we have sales engine. Okay, so first of all, you can view all the sales engines that are done for you, and you can create a new sales engine. Let me click on view, and as you can see, we have all of these sales engines that already are created. Okay, so we have different templates, we have payment, we have published or not published. Obviously we can edit it, we can share it, we can delete it, we can edit it, we can edit the name, etc. Okay, so this is where you access all of it, and let me go back and let me click on create a new sales engine. Okay, so this is a super simple process, and as you can see, you already have all of these sales engines done for you. All of these products are done for you. We have 11 pages of products. Okay, so all these sales engines are already done for you, and this is something that Shawn already did the research on, and these are top selling products. Okay, sometimes they're just stupid little products that look silly, but they sell a lot, and they are really moving lots of numbers. So we have like a clip phone holder, we have a privacy screen protector, we have avocado saver silicone covers, you know, silly little items that you can sell for $5, but then you can upsell people on and make the big bucks. And again, you can use IncomeEngine for anything. So even affiliate marketing, even selling your own products, any e-commerce product, etc. So I can click on get full info and get the full info about the product. So let me just show you how this looks. As you can see, we have all of these specifications, we have the ad targets, we have the price analysis. All of this is done for you, so you don't have to do any research yourself, and you can also create a sales engine from scratch. So let me click on it, and as you can see, we have a select template right here, tons of different templates. Again, guys, if you would be creating this from scratch, it would take you literally hours, if not days, if not weeks. All of this is already done for you. So let me just click on select a template. Here you're going to be adding the product type, name. As you can see, we have a webinar offer, software license, we have affiliate products, we have digital products, physical products. So just pick one of these. We have the name, we have the description, product, image, price, discounted to. Guys, you can edit every little thing, every little link that is on your website, you can edit. We have the payment method, permalink, countdown timers, upsells, etc. So this is a super professional thing that you're setting up here. So again, I'm not going to be setting up a new product right now. Check out the full 20-minute demo if you want to see the whole process. And right now, let me go to the next option. Let's go to sales history. Here, obviously, you're going to be controlling how much money you're making, which sales are already in, which are pending, which are already cashed in, etc. And then we have autoresponder. The cool thing about IncomeEngine is that you can hook up your autoresponder and people will automatically get receipts from you. So that's something automated. You don't have to send any receipts manually. IncomeEngine will do it for you. So you can hook up your MailChimp or Getresponse or Aweber. Super simple to do. Then we have abundant orders. So these are the list of people and messages you're going to be sending to them of people that abandoned the cart. This is a huge money maker because sometimes people just get distracted, maybe they don't know how to complete the order. This is how you're going to make even more money. We have all the email swipes. So as you can see, all of these swipes are there for you. These are for promotion. So we have the welcome aboard, we have thanks for checking out our store, we have a discount email, we have the free shipping email, we have hot products email, free shipping both ways, another sales discount, Mother's Day. So guys, 4 pages of email, excuse me, and all of this is done for you. You don't have to write a single word. Next up, we have settings. So as you can see, we have the disclaimer, privacy, contact, other settings, and the get started plus support. So guys, everything you need is right here on the dashboard. You can sell anything, and obviously all the traffic will be included with it. So you will not only get the traffic, you will get all the video training on how to implement all of this if you are a complete beginner. So that's what's on the inside. Again, check out my full demo to see exactly how all of this works in practice. And right now, let's check out the pricing.